Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to bulgogi, a dish beloved by Koreans. Bulgogi, which is thinly sliced beef marinated in a sauce and grilled, literally means fire-grilled meat. Bulgogi has a rich history dating back to the Goguryeo era, from 37 BC to 668 AD. While it was initially a dish enjoyed by the aristocracy, it has now become a national dish loved by people of all ages. Characterized by its sweet and savory marinade, bulgogi is a representative Korean dish enjoyed on special occasions as well as everyday meals. You could truly call it a Korean culinary treasure. To make delicious bulgogi at home, you'll need a few key ingredients. The most important ingredient is thinly sliced beef. You can use various cuts, such as ribeye, sirloin, and tenderloin. Soy sauce, which adds a deep flavor, is also essential. For sweetness, we use sugar, honey, or Korean pear. Garlic, ginger, and pepper add flavor and aroma, while sesame oil adds a nutty fragrance. These ingredients come together to create the perfect bulgogi marinade. Making bulgogi is easier than you think. First, combine soy sauce, sugar, garlic, ginger, pepper, and sesame oil in a bowl to make the marinade. Add the thinly sliced beef to the marinade and mix well, ensuring the meat is coated evenly. Marinate for at least 30 minutes for a deeper flavor. Now, it's time to cook the meat. Preheat a pan or grill over medium-high heat and lightly oil the pan. Place the marinated beef in the pan, making sure the slices aren't overlapping. Cook for a few minutes on each side until golden brown and cooked through. While bulgogi is delicious on its own, it's even more enjoyable when paired with rice and side dishes, banchan. Try it with steamed white rice, kimchi, spinach namul, seasoned spinach, and kongnamul muchim, bean sprout salad, among other Korean side dishes. I also recommend wrapping bulgogi, samjang, fermented soybean paste, and rice in lettuce. For a more special experience, try making bulgogi seam, wraps. After grilling or stir-frying the marinated beef, serve it with lettuce wraps, rice, and samjang for a richer flavor. Bulgogi is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed in various ways, according to your preference. Enjoy your meal.